Hey guys, welcome back to Johnny Datsun. Today, another day. Today we're gonna be changing all the seal gaskets here on the rear end. As you guys can see right here, we just got delivered today to replace. I just finished the muffler. The muffler's all done, but we have to replace the differential cover gasket and also the differential pinion seal. As you guys can see right here, the pinion seal, we're gonna have to replace that. But this takes a procedure that you got to be careful when you're losing everything out. You know, you got to make sure you don't over tight it. So we're gonna do that, you know, off camera, so we can concentrate on that. So we got the seal right here. Seal came in. This is the part number. As this is a 834. We're going to be replacing all those gaskets, all that seal. We're going to clean this up really good. I already cleaned all the rear end already, so that's all done already. Cleaned and painted the rear, as you guys can see right here. It's all done. This is all clean. We're going to replace the gasket. I'm still waiting for the seals from here in the gasket, so still waiting for that, but it's all done. You guys can see right there the rear end. So I'm gonna have to work on that now. I thought I was done, but what happened was it had a small leak, and I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna do the whole muffler done, and I'm gonna have that leak, so then I'm gonna have to start all over again, and might as well just get it all done now that the car's up in the air. So it's already all painted clean. So we're just waiting right now for another seal, and this one here too. I'm gonna clean it. The discs are pretty good, really nice. I wrote down driver's side so I don't get confused. So there you go. All the stuff look good. Just gonna clean up everything and waiting for the other seals too, so we could get them all done. As of now, I'm gonna try to take this out today and replace this one because it had a leak through here. So I guess this was the problem. It has like a little bend right here, little dent. So that's why maybe it was leaking through here. And also the gasket on the bottom, looks like they had one gasket, paper gasket. So we're gonna try to see if I could probably put double paper gasket there, seal it up really good, so I don't want to go back to this again. So yeah, we got them here, waiting for a few more things, and we should get this done and get it all put back together. The muffler came out really nice, so it's all welded nice and clean. There you go. The good thing that at least I did it myself, and I could take it apart again if I needed to take it apart. If I would have took it to a shop, it probably would have been already welded all straight pipe, and it would have been, I would have to cut it and go through all this. So but lucky that I saw the leak, and I said to myself, you know what, might as well just take everything apart and just get that fixed first and then set up the muffler at the end. So but it's all good. Let's just wait for the gaskets to get in. We could finish this. Hopefully I get them tomorrow. They said that I should get them tomorrow, Saturday, so I could close all this and put everything back so I could drop the car. All right, so to the next one, stay tuned. Ciao.